38% of all web pages from 2013 no longer exist. Not archived, not moved, just gone. I'm Lena, and this is the dark web of history. Not the scary internet, the part that is literally disappearing. How bad is it? 3 facts. 1 in 4 links on the internet is already broken. 2, over 70% of links cited in US Supreme Court opinions no longer work. 3, when GeoCities shut down in 2009, they deleted 38 million user pages in a single afternoon. 38 million stories gone. But here's what is truly wondrous. One nonprofit has been fighting back since 1996. They built something called the Wayback Machine, a time machine for the internet. Right now, as we speak, they have saved 835 billion web pages. 835 billion. And here's where it gets really interesting. In 2017, when governments began removing climate data from official websites, volunteers organized a data rescue event. Librarians, scientists, ordinary people downloading thousands of datasets before they could be deleted. Ordinary people saving history. Wondrous things hiding in plain sight. One more thing you didn't know about the internet. 97% of all global internet traffic runs through cables on the ocean floor. And sharks bite them. Sharks are attracted to the electromagnetic fields. So Google had to wrap their Pacific cables in Kevlar, the same material as bulletproof vests, to protect them from sharks. Bulletproof internet from sharks. The Egyptians left stone. The monks left manuscripts, copied for 1,000 years. We are leaving servers. Servers that need electricity to exist. Formats that become unreadable in 20 years. The most fragile record in human history. Will we be the dark age of data? Or the generation that learned to remember? I don't know the answer. But someone built the Wayback Machine and filled it with 835 billion pages. Someone cares. And that is Wondrous. If you could save just one website for the next 1,000 years, which one would it be? Tell me in the comments. The world is full of things hiding in plain sight. I'll see you at the next one.